Welcome to today's exploration of an unexpectedly lucrative hobby reselling thrift store finds. We often consider thrift stores as quaint, perhaps quirky venues, filled with pre-loved clothing and old books. Yet, hidden within these aisles and racks lie treasures, extraordinary objects waiting to be discovered, and often undervalued gems. Today we uncover how you can turn your passion for thrift shopping into a sustainable source of income by reselling these remarkable finds. Let us begin by understanding what makes thrift shopping so universally appealing. The allure of thrift stores lies not only in their budget-friendly prices, but also in the thrill of the hunt. Every visit can lead to an unexpected find, an item with a story or a past. Imagine finding a vintage jacket from a renowned fashion designer, or a rare edition of a classic book. These are the pieces that can yield a significant profit if resold correctly. Now, before diving into the process, it is crucial to set the stage for a successful venture. Familiarize yourself with current market trends and consumer demands. This knowledge is golden when assessing potential resale items. Blogs, fashion magazines, and social media are excellent resources for up-to-date trends and hot items in the secondhand market. Equally important is understanding brands and makers' marks. Certain logos or stamps may denote high value, especially in categories like vintage fashion, jewelry, or furniture. Also, do some research on store locations. Some areas might have thrift shops with higher quality donations, often coming from affluent neighborhoods. Visiting these places could increase your chances of sourcing high-demand items. Next, it's essential to develop a keen eye for quality. Check items thoroughly for any damages or flaws, which can affect resale value. Clothing should be free of glaring stains and tears unless they are easily repairable, or add to the vintage charm. For electronics or gadgets, test the functionality if possible. Buyers prioritize items in good working condition. Once a potential piece has been identified, the next step is to assess its profitability. This means calculating the possible resale value against the purchase price and associated costs, such as cleaning, repairs, and even listing fees on resale platforms. Key online marketplaces for reselling include eBay, Poshmark, and Depop, each catering to different audiences and types of goods. For collectibles and unique vintage items, Etsy is a top choice. When reselling online, presentation is paramount. Take high-quality photographs from multiple angles under good lighting to highlight the item's features. Write detailed, honest descriptions that include dimensions, materials, and any important history or provenance. Authenticity builds trust and encourages purchase. Price your items strategically. Research similar listings to gauge appropriate pricing. Remember, it's better to start slightly higher, as you can always lower the price later if needed. But raising it after potential buyers have seen the listing may deter interest. Ultimately, persistence and patience are key in this venture. Not every trip to the thrift store will yield gold. Sometimes you'll leave empty-handed, but when you do find something worthwhile, it can be immensely rewarding. Build a solid reputation by maintaining good communication with customers, shipping promptly, and handling any issues professionally. In conclusion, reselling thrift store finds can be an exciting and profitable endeavor with the right approach. Develop your niche, fine-tune your skills, and stay updated on trends to continuously uncover items of value. So, the next time you walk into a thrift store, remember, you might just be holding a gold mine in your hands. Happy thrifting, and may your next find be your best one yet. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.